Hey folks, got a deviled egg video today, deviled egg recipe. I'm always looking for new ideas for deviled eggs, and I found one, and it's the Dirty Martini Deviled Egg. So here they are. Looks pretty good, right? Well, here's how I made them. Watch that, and then come back and let me give them a taste test and see how they turned out. I have not tasted this yet, so I'll be just as surprised as you. So, stay tuned. So I have 3 yolks here that I've mashed up, and I've got 6 green olives that I've finely diced up with a knife. I didn't want to put them through a food processor. And then I have a teaspoon of the olive brine. And then 2 tablespoons of mayo. Once again, use your favorite. And now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of vodka. Yep, vodka. It's a dirty martini. And vermouth. And then we're going to give this a good mix. Combine everything. And then add this to the piping bag. I'm really liking the piping bags. This is what I use from now on when I'm doing deviled eggs. It's just so easy, and they turn out perfect. So let's just pipe this in. And yeah, it's a little bit difficult. I probably should have used a wider opening on the pipe, but was able to get it through no problem. So just fill the eggs, and then I want to garnish with some fresh black pepper. And then use a toothpick and an olive and place it in the egg like you would a martini. Yep, just like that. Make sure you get them in there good distance. Okay, now I'm going to refrigerate this after I finish everything. I'm going to refrigerate about 30 minutes, and then I'll give it a taste test. Pretty simple, really. I've actually never had vermouth, so I did taste the vermouth, and I was really surprised at the flavor of it. So I thought that would work really well. So here we go. Let's try one of these. I'm actually going to remove the olive and try the Dirty Martini Deviled Egg on its own. Now okay, that's really good. The vodka and the vermouth are very subtle in the background, but you can taste them. And these olives were really good. They have a nice tangy, salty brine, and adding that brine to the egg added to it, so it didn't need any salt or anything. And then I think adding the fresh black pepper as a garnish really does help the flavor. So yeah, I definitely love the Dirty Martini Deviled Egg. Well, make some yourself, folks. Thanks for watching.